In today's video, I'm going to show you the best way to track all your crypto portfolios on different platforms in real time all in one place. The platform is CoinStats. CoinStats will keep track all of your gains, your losses, and even your average entry price across multiple different exchanges. I personally use it every single day and it's a great tool to track all in one place. CoinStats is free to use, but there are some limitations within the free version, so if you want to, you can access their other features or premium version. Manage your crypto and DeFi portfolio from one place. CoinStats is basically an app you download into your phone. They also have a desktop version and you can connect your portfolio from different multiple exchanges into this one app. For example, if you have funds within Binance, MetaMask, Coinbase, you can connect all three accounts with CoinStats. You can see the amount of your overall portfolio. It will let you know your gains, your losses and your average entry prices, and you can also connect other accounts or exchanges or wallets that you may have, such as Ledger Wallet, your Trust Wallet and Crypto.com app. Right now you're not able to keep track of your gain and losses with Crypto.com, but with CoinStats you will be able to do it. If you have a Celsius account and you get interest paid out, you can also keep track of that every single day and other wallet and exchanges that they offer. As you can see, you can also add an exchange or wallet manually right here. Also, I want to remind everybody that it's not about how much you have invested, but what's really going to matter is your risk management, the weight of your portfolio. So make sure you're always checking and that you're not too overweighted in one specific altcoin and you're always keeping a balance with your risk management. Now, I do want to quickly talk about risk management and portfolio strategy. I know oftentimes we hear things like, manage your risk and have a portfolio strategy, but as a new person into the market, you really don't know what that means. So I'm going to give you 4 examples. They're just guidelines, they're not what you have to do exactly, but hopefully gives you some perspective on where to start and where you could go. The first portfolio is called the HODL Forever portfolio. Second is called the investor portfolio. Third is called the altcoin portfolio, and the fourth is called the all-in portfolio. These are 4 types of portfolio that I found very common throughout all the years. The HODL Forever portfolio is very simple, right? It's gonna be made up of like 80% of Bitcoin, so we're talking about majority Bitcoin, and 20% Ethereum, and you just buy those 2 assets time and time again to accumulate and you HODL forever. It's the safest out of the 4 and you'll experience the least volatility as well. Second is going to be the investor portfolio. This looks something like where you HODL 50% Bitcoin, 25% Ethereum and 25% altcoins. You're still making Bitcoin and Ethereum the majority of your portfolio, right? Say 75%, and you're also risking 25% for high risk, high reward. Third, we have the altcoin portfolio. This is the person who does not want to buy Bitcoin at all because they feel like it's too old and it's too slow. Instead, they have Ethereum as majority of their portfolio and other altcoins following. This is the person who wants to go high risk, high reward. I personally do not recommend the altcoin portfolio unless you know what you're doing and you understand the market cycles and taking profits. Last but not least, we have the all-in portfolio. This is the person who just sticks with one coin and dollar cost averaging into that one coin because they believe in it so much, right? Doge is an example with Dogecoin. Some might not even care about any altcoins, they just want to go all in on Bitcoin. That's probably the least and riskiest, of course. There are some people who go all in on Ethereum and this strategy is the highest risk, but it also gives you the highest reward. Of course, you lack diversification, but if you're good at spotting potentials on certain coins, you can write up one coin, then sell it all and then go all in on another coin that you see that it is undervalued. The only thing is you just don't know which coin that is, right? So within specific order on the top, you're gonna have the least risk and it's gonna get riskier as you go down. And in terms of return, it's really going to depend on your selling strategy, right? If you go all in one specific crypto and it flies up 500% and it writes down 500%, then you're just gonna make $0 in profit. So if you sell, then it's gonna offer higher returns than the HODL Forever portfolio. but if you never sell, then the HODL forever portfolio might offer you higher returns. So practicing and learning to take profits, it's a very important thing if you're not gonna be holding forever. Now, if you want to get an instant 10% return on your investment, go ahead and get $10 of free Bitcoin with Coinbase after buying $100 worth of crypto. The link is down below in the description. And if you want to stay updated, always receive the best news before anyone else and make some free money as well, make sure to join my free Telegram group. The link is down below in the description. I'm also doing giveaways weekly, so make sure to check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Click the like button if you like crypto and subscribe to the channel for future content. I'll see you in the very next one. Till then, bye bye.